I usually get frustrated at icing recipes that contain shortening, especially when it comes to sugar cookies. I do like the idea of decorating over top of them, but every recipe I could find called for ingredients I did not already have in my pantry, like corn syrup or shortening. Searching for an answer, I found the perfect buttercream frosting for cookies recipe without shortening that will let you pipe amazing designs, hold its shape, and still taste amazing. It will only take you 10 minutes or less to make and has 5 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. It will make enough for about 24 cookies, but you can adjust it depending on how many you baked and what design you are aiming for. We took ours from Julie's Eats and Treats. What you will need for this buttercream frosting for cookies. Ingredients: 2/3 cup butter softened, 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon almond extract. How to make it. Step 1. Put all ingredients except the sugar in a bowl. Using your stand mixer or your electric beater, mix for 15 seconds on medium speed. Step 2. Sift the powdered sugar in increments until you get the desired consistency. Step 3. You can divide and add gel food coloring depending on what design you chose for the cookies. The vanilla extract can also be exchanged for other flavors such as almond or lemon. Other tips. If you added too much powdered sugar, you can always add a bit more milk to the mixture. This will help soften it. Using gel food coloring will not alter this ratio, but if you are using the regular kind, then remember you will need to add a bit more powdered sugar to compensate and achieve the same consistency. It is also more vibrant. Ice the cookies immediately. If it hardens before you finish, add a bit more milk and stir it through to revive it. You can store it in an airtight container for up to a week or freeze it for a few months and have it ready whenever. We recommend you spread it over the cookies with an icing knife. This will give the cookies a rustic and homemade look. You can add details by piping some lines on top. Adjust the consistency by adding more milk or powdered sugar so that you can pipe it easily, but it will still keep its shape. Do not stray too much though, if not you will need to add more butter. You can always add sprinkles or other decorations on top. This makes for easy and fast decoration that still looks amazing. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.